Hey, if AirDrop isn't working on your iPhone 11 or it's on turn on, showing grayed out, or isn't showing nearby devices, some AirDrop keeps saying AirDrop failed after iOS 27 update, don't panic. Watch till the end because one of those fixes could be the one that gets your AirDrop working again. So first, if your AirDrop is grayed out, try this. Open Settings, open Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Other Features, select AirDrop, and make sure it's set to Allow. Hopefully this brings the AirDrop option back. Now, if AirDrops won't turn on or you're having another AirDrop issue, try this process. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, then go to System Services. And here, turn off Cell Network Search and Networking and Wireless. Then restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up button once, then volume down button once, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. So when your iPhone turns back on, go to the same menu and turn both options back on. If AirDrop still isn't working, it's worth checking your wireless connection next. Go to Settings and turn both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Still having the same problem? Now let's make your AirDrop settings are correct. Open Settings, go to General, and when you find the AirDrop option here, select Everyone for 10 minutes. Also make sure both iPhone are unlocked close to each other and have AirDrop turned on while you are trying to send the file. If that doesn't fix it, this is the solution that works for many people. Just go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Just keep in mind this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairing, and other network settings. And then you just have to reconnect your Wi-Fi and others, then reset your network and check if your AirDrop is back to normal and working properly. There one last thing you should check. If there's any software update available, install it and try again. Hopefully one of the solutions fixed your AirDrop issue. Let me know which won't work for you. Thanks for your time.